Hello friends, astrologer Mohnish here, and thank you for watching my videos on Vedic astrology and financial astrology. Well, I'm making this video just to share a few things. One is that Bitcoins has hit 100,000 mark this week, and I predicted this back in March 2024. So this is a video released on March 2024 that Bitcoins, cryptos will reach 100K mark within this year. Why I'm sharing this with you? Because as my platinum members who are trading using our indicators, cryptocurrencies and Bitcoins, especially one of the videos where I've shown the chart of Bitcoins, the Bitcoins has a Kal Sarpadosha in its chart. So Kal Sarpadosha works as snakes and ladders in your life. Okay, if you have personally been afflicted by Kal Sarpadosha in your chart, you will see that gains comes, but then they dissolve. Gains comes, but they dissolve, and something is always confining you. So there's a confinement on your chart. Same is with the Bitcoin chart also. It has a Kal Sarpadosha. Okay, so I'll show you one more time this chart of Bitcoins. So this means that you should not hold this currency for longer time. You should trade it because of the high volatility. It is very good instrument to trade every day. Volatility means the price going up and down so quickly and so randomly, and it's giving you that much of the rise in the prices and fall in the prices to that extent where you can book profits. That's a volatility. Without the volatility, you cannot make money in the markets. And that's the reason the Forex trading has the lowest volatility. Crude oil or the gold or the commodities has very lowest volatility. And that's the reason people struggle to find profits in there. Okay. Even in stocks, many stocks, the days when the volatility is low in the market, you should not be trading because that day you're just putting your hard work for just collecting dimes and cents. Whereas we want more volatility so that we can have more profit zone coming in. And I'll show you in my videos what you should be doing when you trade using our indicators. So follow this video. But with Bitcoins, the Bitcoins are going to be up, up, and up. Okay, it's a bullish, very bullish, especially with the Trump and Elon Musk coming into the picture. But Kal Sarpadosha also has huge impact on Bitcoins that it can go to zero again, could go back to where it started. Okay, and that's the reason use the volatility, play with the cryptocurrencies, but hold it for certain amount of days, sell it, hold it for certain hours, sell it. This way you will be protected. You don't want to wake up in a day when you see it's just crashing out. You need to put your stop losses, trading stop losses in the Bitcoins whenever you're trading, any cryptocurrency whenever you're trading, because all the cryptos are following the Bitcoin's prices. So now how you trade all these things, use our VIP indicator, right? And I've shown you how to use it. Now I'm going to make things very simple for you. Okay. So there are a lot of questions which I constantly answering. So I just thought of, making a small video to explain you things. So what you do is when you go to our website, you pick from the members menu, pick the top Bitcoins and crypto. And here you see, we are giving you the range. And this is last updated on December 1st. We'll update it twice a week. This is the range given by our algorithm, and we have a video which shows how our algorithm works. Machine learning, artificial intelligence, and we have plugged in last 25 days of data plus the astrological data to give you the predictions, the range where these cryptocurrencies will be. And you see here the BTC, we give the range. This is the range 95 till 101K from December 1 till the next 4 days, till let's say December 4 or December 5. Now we're going to update this today. But this range, you take this range. Okay, what you do with this is, and even if you're trading any other crypto like ADA, Atom, AVAX, BNB, BTC, Dodge, DOT, we are giving you the range. Okay. As Shibu, we will find the range. We are still working on the model. As SOL, XRP, so the range is given. So what you need to do, so mark this range. Once you know this range, what we are predicting for the next 4 days, go to the Bitcoins chart. Okay. And always, whenever you open any chart, Bitcoins, any stocks, anything, what you're trying to trade, first, always look at the daily chart. Okay, the daily chart tells you the trends. And here you can see the trends very easily, that this green line has cut over the blue line and the trends are bullish right from here. And there was a bullish sign right in here also, buy signal, right? This happened when the Trump rally started right on the 15th of October. You see the bullish mark was here. And then in November, when Trump went, it went very much up. So this tells you that the market is bullish. Okay. strongly bullish. Now, the daily chart is bullish. Now you can play the smaller charts, 1 hour, 4 hours, 5 minutes, but play the bullish. Bullish will give you the maximum returns. Now, what you do is, you know the range we give. Okay. So, what you do is 95 till 101. So, go here, click on this icon here and look for a horizontal line. You pick a horizontal line again on the daily chart, 101, drop it here. Okay, this is the horizontal line. I'm gonna make more room for you. Take one more line, horizontal line, and then drop it at 96, where our range is. Let's say 96. So I'm gonna drop it close to 90, let's say 6 plus minus 200 plus dollars right here. So this is the range what we are predicting. This is the range what we are predicting next 3 to 4 days. That cryptos will remain, the BTC will remain in this particular range. Now, how you trade with this? Okay, now I'm not opening my other indicator. I'm just showing the one indicator. And I'll bring the other indicator also here, the gamma indicator. But first, I want to make a concept for you. See, this indicator itself tells you the buy and sell signal. Okay. Once it hits the profit zone, it goes to the waiting zone. I have 20 years of experience in trading, and I know one thing. One indicator alone will never help you gain the maximum profits, because this indicator starts here and then takes a profit here. I'm going to redraw it here. So you enter here, you take a profit here, then what? Then it's waiting, because it's still waiting for the bigger wave, which is already formed. Now, if you want to continue to play this particular wave, you need to bring our other indicator. Let's say that I go to my invite only tab and gamma indicator. So gamma indicator is telling you exactly, can you play this game again? If you have hit the profit zone here, after this, you see that the bullish sign came here, and you can enter the trade again on the daily chart and continue to play till you hit this zone. Okay, so again, same wave. Let's say if we go back to this wave, you hit the profit zone right here, and then there's no other bullish sign here, so you played only once. Okay, but in 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, you will get many times this particular indicator showing you buy and sell signal. You need to just wait for this particular buy signal. And if this is already buy and waiting, there's no red signal came here, that means this is still bullish. And you can enter the trade again when this goes bullish. Now, if you're still playing it, you see that whenever the green comes here, maybe it happens here or here, you can go again, get bullish. You can enter the trade. But what I'm trying to teach you is also that when you see from the daily trends where it is, you then draw the 1 hour chart. The lines will still remain there. Okay, since you have drawn this range. Now in 1 hour chart, you see that the lines are still at 101 and 196. And this is the range we have predicted for you. Now all you need to do is in 1 hour chart, when this bullish sign comes into picture, first this will give you, this is a momentum indicator, where the momentum is. You see the bearish momentum coming down, 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 and here these two lines are narrowing it. That means that the bearish is now ending and the bullish may come anytime. The moment bullish comes in here and the other indicator also shows green, you jump, you take that trade. And then you can continue to trade till you see the red appearing here, or this line is narrowing down to this particular red line. This means that the momentum of bullish is drying up and you should exit your trade even before the profit taking zone. This is how you play the game. You see our indicator hit the profit zone and it's waiting back, but you can have played this game by using both the indicators again and again and again, even going back and staying within the same range. You know, this is a healthy and very strong range what we have predicted. And you see everything is happening within the same range what we have predicted. We predicted this on December 1st, that the range of Bitcoins will remain here. And you see that it went up and then again come down to the same range what we predicted. So that means people will start selling when it hits above 101 and they will start buying when it hits less than 96 or close to 96. That is how you need to play it. If you go back even, let's say I want to remove your confusion, like why this is a waiting sign, what should I do? Okay, so you need to understand this. Let's say you enter the trade in 1 hour chart here, okay, and you hit your profit, okay, hit your profit, and then there's no signal of buy here, there's a waiting signal. All you need to do is you just go ahead again when the green signal appears on the gamma indicator. What normally I do is I go to the gamma and I right click in here, I set add alerts, and I say once per bar, 1 hour chart, 1 hour Bitcoins, once per chart, and I will put my indicator alert here, let's say BTC bullish, BTC bullish. This way, what will happen is whenever the BTC, the gamma indicator goes bullish, I will get an indicator, I will get an alarm or alert. Alert is, if you're using a TradingView app, then the alert comes on your mobile phone also. Okay. So this will help you. Let's say you create an alert, and I will do the same thing. I'll create one more alert, say right click in here, create an alert, and this time bearish. When it's going bearish, give me the alert. So Gumpy bearish once per bar, and I will say BTC bearish. That's all you need to do. Now what you're doing here is you're setting up your bottom indicator to give you buy and sell signals in 1 hour chart, and then you can play the same wave again and again, which is appearing on the top indicator. So to make things very easy, once more time, you go to the daily chart, okay, and right click, reset it. Okay, first draw the range looking at our website. Go to our website, draw the range, BTC. This is the range we have given here, 95 to 105. And then draw these two horizontal lines on that range. Go in here, horizontal line, and bring it here, horizontal line, bring it here. Watch this video again if you want. And then the whole trend is bullish. Now, if you are playing a daily candle again, and you want to again get into this trade within this level, within this particular range, then the moment this turns green, maybe here or maybe here, you can go ahead. Okay, as long as it's within the range. Okay, don't go above the range, because then what will happen is after 101K, people will start short selling and you will get into a trap. Okay, similarly, what we do is normally when we see the daily chart is up, the trends are bullish, we normally play 1 hour chart or 5 minute charts. Let's say 5 minute chart, how does it look like? In 1 hour, the range remains the same. You see that? I've already shown you. 5 minute chart, you see that? We are still playing in the same range. You will see your horizontal lines, they will appear somewhere down and up because we are playing 5 minute chart now. Right here, see, this is going here and this one is going down somewhere because we are playing 5 minute chart, which has more ups and downs and volatility, and our chart is not scaling to that level where we can see the two horizontal lines. But you see now here in 5 minute chart, the buy signal, the major buy signal, let's say this is a major buy signal, which came here on the big indicator, and it hit the profit taking zone and it's waiting. But that does not mean that you cannot enter this trade now in 5 minute chart. Yes, you can. Let it go back here. This is a false indicator. See, it went up and then came down. You will find many falls, in 5 minutes or 1 minute chart because of the volatility in cryptocurrencies, right? So that's the reason 1 hour is very smooth. But you see in here, you enter here, same wave. There's no buy signal here, which is okay. But we are playing the gamma indicator now. What we are doing is when this is showing green already, the print is already there. And this is saying waiting. Why waiting? Because it hits the profit zone. Now it's waiting for the big different momentum. And these momentums are small enough that the signal is not coming here as a buy, because this is calculating the direction and also the strength of direction. Okay, the strength of direction. And if the strength of direction is not that huge, the artificial intelligence will not give you the buy signal again. And here are the settings, the features, what it takes. You see that there's a lot of RSI, WT, CCI, ADX, RSI. They're all about the momentum and the strength. Now, but that does not mean that if there's no buy signal coming here, you cannot play. You can play. And this is what we're doing again and again. I've been training you again and again. What you do is, let's say 5 minute chart, the sell signal came. But coming back to this point, this is a buy signal. You can buy it here again. You can buy it here again. You can buy it here again. Even though they're very small ranges. 5 minutes is scalping. Scalping means you go in and you go out. You play the one candle or maximum two candles. You just play in the dimes and cents. Instantly you take 10,000 worth of Bitcoins, and the moment it's up here, you sell them. You make $200. You make $300. So this is what the scalping is done. So now you see the sell indicator came here as I'm recording this. So sell indicator, see this came first, that the momentum, bullish momentum in 5 minutes is drying up. It's going down. Now you enter your trade here and you short sell at this price and you take profit at this price. And volatility is showing us that yes, the volatility is huge, 0.11%, that it can hit this level easily, right? So you can see that, and you just keep watching this line. You see there's a lot of gap. If this line is going down, 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 there's a huge gap between these two lines. That means it will go further down, further down. You can keep your trade until this line is going upwards to bullish, or you can hit your profit and exit the trade. So this is how you play. And this is what I say, that the trading is an art and trading is a science also. We are giving you everything scientific. Now, how to get the results, that's an art. That's your mind, not bringing your emotions. Understanding that you cannot win all trades. That's how the nature of the trading is. But you can win 8 out of 10 trades. And this is what you're doing. Even if you don't win 2 trades, you hit the stop loss, which is okay. It's just like a normal business, normal trading, what you do. But our indicators and our predictions makes you a winner. Same is what you can do with our stocks also. You see in our top US stocks, we have given the range of gold, the Dow Jones Index, S&P Index, NASDAQ Index. This was posted on December 3. And now we're going to do it one more time today. So every week, twice in a week, you will see we will post it. And this is all based on our very complex, stellar, game changer algorithm, which is giving us these ranges. And then we predicted for AMD, Google, Amazon, Apple. Then we predicted for NVIDIA. You see that? NVIDIA is here, 133, 144. And you see what happened. You go to NVIDIA chart and you see that same range. If I open the chart in a daily candles, and you see that still it hit 140, 145, and then came down the same range. All you need to do is you take this range, 133, 144, draw a horizontal line. I'm just doing it one more time for you. Horizontal line, you draw it at 144, let's say that. And then second line, you draw it. It's very easy. You just pick the line, and then the moment you click it, the line will appear. Okay, so 136, let's say that, maybe 133. Let's see that. So let's see 135, 135, 133. Let's say I'm going to click here my mouse and it will draw it. So this is the range. This is the range. That's all. If you're doing daily trading for NVIDIA, you see there's almost a green signal coming, almost. The green comes here, and then when green comes here, you buy it. Because why we want to wait now for both green signals? Because the red signal was imprinted here. If there would no red signal here, only this green signal, we could have taken the trade again when this turns green. But when this turns red, and then you are trading again this stock, then you have to make sure that this turns green and this also turns green, so that the strength is huge and in your favor. This is how you trade. Again, watch this video again and again and again. I know some people are new, and I'm trying to help all my new traders here. Trading is art and science. I'm giving you all the tools scientifically, astrological predictions, algorithm predictions, giving you the range for the next 3-4 days. Right? People who are writing options, they're making huge money. Naked calls and the covered calls, because the range is given to them. You have 96% chance of winning the trade if you are selling those options above and below that price range. But if you're a new trader, all you need to do is replay it, again and again play it, and understand. Don't just wait for the waiting signal on the top. You can play with the gamma indicator, provided the last wave of the top indicator was already green, or it's not showing the red sign there, if you're bullish. If you're bearish, then if the top is showing bearish, then you can play the lower indicator whenever the bearish signal comes into the picture. If you're a new trader, don't do short selling. Do the bullish buy at the low and the sell at the high. That should be your practice. If you're a very strong trader, very experienced trader, then you can play both sides. And this will how you will be very, very successful. Again, astrologer Mohnish here. I'm going to release this video for you so that you can watch it. and put the alerts. I've already covered how you do the alerts. And in case you want to delete the alerts, all you need to do is you go to the trading view and you see these are the alerts. And here all your alerts are shown here, right? So let's say I put 2 alerts here for BTC bearish, BTC bullish. All you do is you go and remove them. Okay. If you don't want it, you delete it. And you can also create new alerts from here. You create an alert, and then, any price range you want to pick it, you can do that. Or if you want to use our indicators, you use our indicators, gamma, and then bullish or bearish. Make sure you pick once per candle, and then your expiration is sometime in the future, so that the alerts does not expire. And then you name it, and then you say create. Then that it will be created. Okay. And then you want to delete it, you can delete it anytime you want it. So it's very easy, very simple. TradingView platform gives you everything. Unfortunately, the price range what we give, we cannot bake into an indicator. The reason is the TradingView platform is very sandbox. It does not allow us to get the data from external sources. And that data is on our website, and our algorithms are working on a different server. So we cannot do that. So we are working with TradingView platform. We already have, engaged with them that we have a very strong algorithm. If we can bake those prices, what we are predicting, into our indicator itself, then you have one screen to work with. You don't have to go to multiple screens. But for now, you have to do it. You go to our website, take the range, put the horizontal lines, and then you trade daily, 1 hour, 4 hours, but the range should be the same if you really want to win 9 trades out of 10. Okay, this is how you should do. Again, my dear friends, astrologer Mohnish, thank you for watching, and I shall see you in my next video very soon. Trade wisely, open your mind, do not fear of losing, but do not lose anything bigger. Okay, so your trading stop loss should be there, and be very, very cautious when you're trading Bitcoins or keeping Bitcoins for the longer term. Okay, if you're not very rich who can afford to lose big money, then you should keep them for a few days. The moment you see the alert, that selling is happening, sell them. Put your trading stop loss, so that you don't get into a bigger losses due to the high volatility in the cryptocurrency. And it's a speculative currency. It is not backed by any asset. It's very, very speculative. The moment governments puts rules against it, something will happen, or some big country can start short selling it to literally wipe it out, right? So watch that things also. Okay, so I shall see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and happy trading. God bless you. Stay happy, stay protected, and stay awakened.